Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to delete albums on Facebook. So let's begin the video. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Go to the menu bar and tap on your profile picture or name to access your profile. Now go to the photo section. Tap on the Albums tab to view your photo albums. After that, click on the album you want to delete. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the album. Select Delete Album from the drop-down menu. Confirm the delete by following the prompts. This will remove all photos within that album from Facebook. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.